This 2022 Jeep Compass is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by Wash 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.4L 144 engine, and has 46,131 miles. Adventure awaits. Explore the 2022 Jeep Compass, your perfect companion for every journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.